Elevating the accomplishments of diverse women in technology has always been at the core of our mission. This year, we are honoring 23 exceptional technologists for their particular contributions to society, social good, and technology. The Applaud Her practice started in the early days of Women Who Code, based on the lived experiences of our members who often felt penalized for sharing their professional achievements. Our goal is to help diverse women feel more comfortable highlighting their professional wins while shifting culture to be more comfortable celebrating with them. We recognize the Applaud Her recipients selected for their distinct contributions in one of 12 categories, including leadership, social good, innovation, specific areas of technical expertise, and their work within the Women Who Code community. These are leaders who are working to improve the industry, technology, and the world around them. And they're the role models who are inspiring this generation and the next to succeed. Thank you all for joining us in celebrating the accomplishments and impact of these diverse technologists who are changing the face of tech.